British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak is considering introducing a stringent proposal that would ban the next generation from ever being able to buy cigarettes. Such drastic steps could permanently phase out cigarette sale for those born on or after January 1st, 2009. These measures are reportedly similar to those implemented by New Zealand in December 2022, which aims to incrementally raise the legal age for buying tobacco products. Under the first of its kind anti-smoking laws passed by the Ardern regime, those aged 14 and younger cannot buy cigarettes ever in New Zealand, thereby outlawing the deadly habit for the next generation entirely. We want to encourage more people to quit and meet our ambition to be smoke-free by 2030, which is why we have already taken steps to reduce smoking rates, a British government spokesperson said. Those measures include free vape kits, a voucher scheme to incentivize pregnant women to quit, and consulting on mandatory cigarette pack inserts, he added. Although Sunak's office has remained tight-lipped, it's understood that these anti-smoking measures are part of a wider consumer-centric policy initiative aimed at the upcoming elections, according to the report by The Guardian. The UK Labour Party earlier signalled openness to similar proposals earlier in 2023. Shadow Health Secretary Wes Streeting expressed the party's intent to consult on gradually discontinuing cigarette sales for younger age groups, echoing New Zealand's approach. Sunak, as per the publication, is also reconsidering levying a €10 fine for those who miss medical appointments, a proposal initially announced during his summer 2022 campaign. However, the political feasibility of such an action remains uncertain. Sunak has faced considerable challenges, including criticisms for backtracking on his party's net zero emissions commitment. However, the anti-smoking policy seems to be a distinct strategy designed to address public health concerns. Rumours are also swirling that the Prime Minister might revamp the education system, potentially overhauling A levels in favour of a system resembling the IB, allowing students to study more subjects. Meanwhile, Keir Starmer has accused Sunak of causing instability, stating the government's recent moves have exacerbated the country's economic woes. The leader of the Labour Party did not mince words, saying that Sunak's inconsistencies are impeding national renewal.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.